Hey guys, since there was no formal pattern to be able to provide you guys, I decided to draw a diagram and then also write the instructions out. The diagram's going to have two. The top one is for cutting, the dimensions and how many of each. The bottom diagram is when you're ready to put the pockets on. It shows you the sew lines as well as how to measure in for the pocket. And then the second sheet is going to be written instructions on what you saw me do in the video. So they're going to each be on the screen about 15 or 20 seconds to give you time to screenshot them or take a picture if you're watching this on TV. Hope it helps.